Hi everyone, it's Neil from Big Science. Thank you for joining us again. Today's experiment is we are going to make a paper hovercraft. Now this is one of our favourite experiments because all you need is a square piece of paper. That's it. To make a paper hovercraft there is quite a bit of folding. So what we're going to do, every time I do one fold, after I've done that we'll show you a picture of what your hovercraft should look like at that point. So for the first fold, all we're going to do is we're going to take one corner and the other corner, put them together and fold into a big triangle. The second fold is we're just going to fold it in half again, from one point to another. So we have a slightly smaller triangle. Next, we have to open up our triangle and we want to fold this into a kind of kite shape. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this side here and fold it into the middle, like. So you'll have that funny looking shape like that. And then we do the same on the other side. So we take this bit here and fold that into the middle. And we now have a nice kite shape. Now for this stage we need to be using these two flaps here. So we have them facing upwards. And all we're going to do is we're going to use this outside edge and fold it outwards back onto this edge. So it should look like that. And this time we're going to fold this edge out to this edge. So it should look like that. So that's it. That's the paper hovercraft. It's ready to go. So all you need to do to make it go is you turn it around. So that's on top and you give it a blow. So how does it work? Well, I'm going to talk about air pressure again. So when I blow underneath the back of the hovercraft, I blow lots of air in there. So the pressure changes, it becomes a higher pressure. But when I also blow, I blow air over the top. So that air moves faster. So there's less air, that's lower pressure. This gives the hovercraft lift. So it lifts it off the tape a little bit. Now because it gives it that lift, it takes away the friction that's acting underneath it. So this time when I blow, there's no higher pressure there, lower pressure there, less friction, so the hovercraft moves forward. Thank you very much for joining us for another Big Science experiment. Hopefully you all make one of these paper hovercrafts at home. If you do, we'd love to see them. You can make them a little bit more exciting than mine by colouring them in, or just making them a little bit more exciting than this one. But again, if you do that, send them in to us at Big Science. We'd love to see them. Also, if you did like making your paper hovercraft, there's loads more experiments that you can do at Big Science UK on our YouTube channel. Thank you again.